It's been a while since I've made one of these films. Bikepacking gone wrong. I'm in the Peak District. Well, actually, I'm still in Sheffield. I'm near the edge of the Peak District. I'm at Red Mize Reservoir, which is a lovely place. On a Friday evening, finished work, set off from my parents' house in Sheffield up to the Peak District, and the plan was to do all of the trails, the Monsell Trail, Tissington Trail, High Peak Trail, and do a proper epic Peak District film, like I have done in the past. But things have kind of just all gone wrong today. The thing that stopped play is the fact that I've smashed my rear derailleur on a rock. I don't know if I snapped the cable or the derailleur's knackered itself, but basically I can't change gear and it's in the hardest gear. And if you're in the Peak District, that's game over. You can't go up the hills in that gear. It's not enjoyable. Not only that, my route was crap. I planned it all myself, so I'm the only one to blame. But the plan was to follow some bridle paths down to Riverlyn Dam, then up to Red Mize Reservoir, but the bridle paths were shocking, just like quagmire routes. Most of it was walking. So that was one thing, but in all honesty, my mind's just kind of not been in it today. I've just been feeling pretty crap, and just been kind of looking for any reason not to do this, which is baffling really, because I normally absolutely love bikepacking and I love making films, and it's just one of those weird situations at the moment where I'm just feeling pretty rubbish. And I'm not doing this for attention. I absolutely love making films and seeing the enjoyment that they bring to people, so I'm not in it for attention. I just felt like voicing how I feel, because I do feel pretty rotten, and I don't really know why. Anyway, I've called my dad, and thankfully they only live like 3 or 4 miles away, and he's come to collect me, but I just feel a bit rotten, kind of like it's all getting to me a little bit at the moment. Just busy with the baby and film, work. I'm just pretty worn out. So anyway, hopefully I haven't let you guys down. I want to keep bringing out epic bikepacking films, but kind of this is it for this month. So I'll be back. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.